Welcome to the Weather Centre on Thursday, where a cold front moves over the southern and eastern part of the country. It brings in most of the rainfall over the southern part of South Africa, but we'll also see it bring in a bit of evening rain over parts of KZN. The cold front brings in a cooler day over the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. We'll see a bit of cloud push in over the low veld, but other than that, we're expecting sunny weather with a warmer day over much of South Africa. The SA Weather Service have issued a warning for high seas along the coast between Cape Columbine and Durban, with a total sea of between 6 and 9 metres. The day starts off with a bit of drizzle between Vredendal and Sutherland, with up to a 40% chance of rainfall over the southern part of South Africa. And then we're expecting a slight possibility of evening rain over parts of KwaZulu-Natal. It's a warm Thursday in the northeast with highs in the mid-20s for the northwest, as well as Pretoria and Polokwane. 30 degrees as we head towards Bombela and Phalaborwa, with a hot day in store. Warmer temperatures are expected into the Free State, with a few of those highs heading into the low 20s. Mild for the KZN interior, but with another chilly day for the Eastern Cape, with maximum temperatures mainly in the low and middle teens. 16 as we head towards Port Elizabeth, with strong southwesterly winds through to East London and even stronger gusts expected. We're forecasting a moderate to fresh southerly wind for Durban and Richards Bay, with a 2.5 metres southerly swell at 14 seconds along the KZN coastline, with a larger swell as we head towards the Eastern Cape. Still cold over the southern part of South Africa, 13 for Graaff-Reinet and Beaufort West. Vredendal though warming up to 20 degrees. In Muizenberg, we're forecasting a south-southeasterly wind of up to 25 kilometres per hour, but more of a southwesterly component to the wind as we head towards Plettenberg Bay, with a strong westerly wind for Jeffreys Bay at 19, and along the south coast we'll see a 6 metre south-southwesterly swell with a long wave period of 17 seconds. A warmer day is forecast for Uppington at 24 degrees. Sutherland still remaining cold at 12, 17 as we head towards Colesberg. Along the west coast, we're expecting a maximum temperature of 18 for Alexander Bay, with a fresh southeaster and stronger winds later on in the day. We're expecting a 3 metre southwesterly swell along the west coast, but with a larger swell as we head towards Cape Town, where we can expect a moderate southerly wind and a high of 15 degrees. And you'll see fresh southerly winds for Longabon and Lambert's Bay. On Friday, temperatures stay cold over the southern part of South Africa, and we're expecting a bit of drizzle for Port Elizabeth at 15 degrees. You'll see cooler weather and rainfall move in over the eastern part of the country, with a bit of evening drizzle for Bombela, with a sunny and mild to warm day over the central and northeastern parts. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Thursday.